Hey, it's Jess, and you're watching the TransWorld Motocross Holiday Gift Guide, presented by our friends at BTOSports. Today's gift is the Choi Lee Design CP 5900 chest protector. Made for Choi Lee Designs by the guys at Shock Doctor, the CP 5900 is regarded as the most comfortable chest protector around. It can be worn over or under your jersey and costs $175.95. And come on, you have to protect your chest, right? Be sure to check out BTOSports.com for all the perfect holiday gifts for the loves who love...